Oh, hey, let's talk about something. Welcome back.
Yeah, I've got to admit, this video is not for everyone, but like everything else I do on this channel, it'll be interesting, and I ask you kindly, just give it a try, see where it goes. I think you'll be surprised.
I've got notes. There comes a time when we've got to acknowledge when something special happens, like going back to school. Wyatt, we're really proud of you. Congratulations on your first day back at school yesterday. It's going to be a great year. And Joe, you've got a headset to give away. Let's keep talking about things that we're so proud and so excited about. One of those really amazing, proud, exciting things happened recently at Oshkosh. I ran into a company up there who showed up ready to go. They had a product they were selling. They had figured out how to get their product into your hands at an affordable rate. And they're not sponsoring this video. They don't even know I'm making this video, but let's talk a little bit about Spirit Engineering. A friend of mine, Richard, texted me and said, don't leave Oshkosh without stopping by their booth and seeing what they've got going on. I stopped over. It was a great little booth. They had a nice looking airplane on display. Now I'm thinking to myself, cool, there are 1,000 other nice looking airplanes on display. What makes this one so special? Well, Spirit Engineering showed up with 3 airplanes, actually 4 airplanes, flying airplanes. And they said, yeah, we've been working on this entire time, but we chose not to talk about it because we don't want to overhype things. We want to show up ready to go and support general aviation. What a refreshing concept that was. A product that was ready to go and not a product that I'll be waiting for N+1 years to get, 2027, 2028. They have 20 airplanes already built. This airplane cruises at 100 miles an hour, stalls at 45, sips 2 gallons of gas an hour, has an 8-gallon fuel tank, a 300-pound useful load, and just looks amazing. Service ceiling is 17,500 feet, and the entire package is less than $80,000. This is the way we're going to save general aviation. I am so excited about what they have done. Oh, wait a minute, I even forgot one of the coolest parts. They designed their own engine. This company understands what we're going to do to save general aviation, and I wanted to take a moment to recognize them. So on behalf of the members and subscribers of the Open Source GA YouTube channel, I would like to present Spirit Engineering with the There Is Hope for General Aviation Award. Just made this up, made it myself. I would love to present this to them for offering us up hope for where general aviation is going by showing up at their best, not selling us a lie, showing us that something is possible here in this general aviation space that so many people have abandoned. So I don't know how to get a hold of them. If you know their customer support email address, drop it down in the comments, or someone send them a message saying, on behalf of this channel, we would like to present you this award. But this is what this video is all about. Just wanted to take a moment and recognize them. So let's see how we can get this video out. And again, congratulations, Spirit Engineering, on the SE1. Great, great work. We hope to see more of you really, really soon.